Okay, what's up mga kusina? Magbuhat ng pumpkin cream soup. Mga itong ingredients, kalabasa, celery, butter, garlic, onion. Wala man tayo white onion guys, pwede na red onion. Suwak to sa mga bata guys. Cream of pumpkin soup. Mas pan, buta na ito butter. Ito na yung onion. Garlic. Celery. Ito na ito pumpkin guys. Ito lang yung soup. Pagkaman ito yung i-blend. Ito magic water guys. Tapos add ng salt lang tayo guys. Salt and pepper lang yan. White pepper. Okay, naboil na yung kalabasa guys. Lagyan natin ng cream. Blend natin. Blend natin yan. Blend natin guys. Pumpkin, blend natin. Stack na yan. Tapos lagyan natin yung blend natin. Okay, kumulo na yung pumpkin natin. Lagyan natin ng cream. Mix natin yan. Serve natin yan ngayon. Luto na itong cream pumpkin guys. Kaya itong butter para mati siya magwan. Okay, cream of pumpkin soup. Tapos add parsley guys to serve. Okay, thank you for watching. Kusina ni Glenn.